Okay, to check your feedback for your websites, the best way to look at it so that you can see it and it's not all jumbled up is to go to grades, click on the thing that you want to see, or like look at the thing you want to see, and then over here it shows you my comments and it will list everything all pretty for you right here. Okay, so if you do it the other way, so if you go from home and click on the assignment from anywhere else, it doesn't look how it's supposed to look. So I would have this option too, right, where I can view my feedback right here, but see how it does this weirdness and you can't see it all lined up, like it's hard to tell what score goes to which thing. That's not what I want you to look at. So instead, you do grades and then go to that assignment and look at the feedback by clicking on the little conversation things right here. And then you can see everything much more easily. And then after anything, I leave you feedback for things that you didn't get full points on. If you're showing full points, sometimes you got a comment and sometimes you don't. So just a heads up for that.